everyone. Welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's it going? Today, we are going to learn some very useful sentences. These are helpful for a common problem that many people face from time to time, especially when we don't eat enough vegetables or drink enough water. Let's get started. Constipated. Constipated. C-O-N-S-T-I-P-A-T-E-D. C-O-N-S-T-I-P-A-T-E-D. This word means you can't poo like you normally do, or it's difficult for you to poo. Here's how you can use it. I'm constipated. I need to eat some bananas. Or, I'm constipated. I need to drink some coffee. Trust me, bananas and coffee can help with constipation. Constipation. C-O-N-S-T-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. C-O-N-S-T-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. If you're in Taiwan, you can also try iced milk tea from a Taiwanese breakfast shop. It works wonders. And you will say goodbye to constipation very soon. Next one. Indigestion. I-N-D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. I-N-D-I-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. Indigestion is another reason you might get constipated. This happens when your stomach can't digest food properly. Why does this happen? If you eat too fast, if you eat too much, or if you eat something too spicy or greasy, your stomach might have trouble working properly. Here's how you can use it. I have indigestion. I can't eat donuts right now. Or, I have indigestion. I need to take some stomach medicine. Stomach medicine. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Medicine. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E. Stomach medicine can help you feel much better. Alright, let's do a quick review. I'm constipated. I need to eat some bananas. I'm constipated. I need to drink some coffee. I have indigestion. I can't eat donuts right now. I have indigestion. I need to take some stomach medicine. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's program. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me a message. See you next time. Bye-bye.